Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, let's start with the third module of active and passive voice. But those who have not watched the video of first and second module of active and passive voice, just go back and see that first and second video of active and passive voice. Then only step by step we are going further on third module. In first module we have taught about simple sentences, how to convert simple sentences into passive voice. In the second one we have taught how to convert active voice to passive voice for interrogative sentences. Now in the third part we have come back with third module, third type of sentence, that is imperative. Before starting imperative sentences, you must be clear what are imperative sentences. How we will find out this is imperative sentence? I have told you like question mark is there at the end, that is called interrogative. But here also we are finding full stop at the end. So how we will identify, how we will differentiate between simple and imperative? The very first, you can say formula to recognize that is this imperative or simple, because a simple sentence always start with subject, then verb, then object. But here you will find out that there is no subject. Subject is missing. Subject is hidden actually. Hidden at the back of the curtain. Right? And you will be finding here are some emotions that are being shown. Emotions, what kind of emotions? Like sometimes it is showing request, sometimes it is showing command, sometimes it is showing order, sometimes it is showing advice, sometimes it is showing suggestions. So these are emotions that is shown in the imperative sentences. We will study and then we will finding out the difference between the simple and imperative. Let's go ahead. I have told you request, order, suggestion, command. These are the emotions are shown in imperative sentences. So like first sentence is there, you will find out the sentence is don't touch the bare wires. Don't touch the bare wires. Wire which are bare, you have not to touch because you will be finding out the shock. So now don't touch. What is the emotion here? Like here is the suggestion. Okay, so you will be writing, you will be changing it in two ways. Two ways are there of this type of sentence to change in passive voice. The first one is you are suggested. Okay, and don't is there, so we'll put here not to touch the bare wires. It's quite easy. Or the second part is there. You are in the space of, instead of suggested we can use forbidden even. But when we are using forbidden, keep in your mind we not have to use not, because already forbidden is having in the meaning not, including the meaning of not. You are forbidden to touch the bare wires. Right? Now see the next one. Go and stand there in queue. What is this? This is a command. So we will be finding out like this way. You are commanded to go and stand there in queue. Third one, kindly. Kindly shows like we are doing a request. Kindly bring a cup of tea for me. Please. Kindly. These words are showing the request. So you are requested to bring a cup of tea. Right? These were all about imperative. One more sentence is there. Sometimes the sentence always comes in the exam. It is time to open the shop. If this type of sentence has come, then how to change the passive of this sentence? It can be like this way. It is time will remain the same. To open the shop, we will convert it in a simple way. For the shop to be opened. Right? This kind of sentence will be like this way. It is time to open the shop. It is time for the shop to be opened. Now let's do some more practice as we have completed complete package of active and passive voice. Now see one sentence. The sentence is the baby is crying in the cradle. Now you tell me what is the passive of the sentence. First of all, find out the object. The object is the cradle, but we cannot frame the passive of the sentence. It will be senseless. It will make it. We cannot make the cradle is being cried by the baby. How cradle can cry? Right? So means the passive voice is not possible of this sentence. Fine. Now see the next one. The jug contained milk. This type of sentence is there. So we will start with milk. Milk contained a second form. So it will be was. Contained. Now we will not write here contained by the jug. We will write, because with contained we always use the preposition, fixed preposition, that is in. Contained in the jug. Right. Next one, see. Who teaches you English? This type of sentence already, students are getting confused in this type of sentence. This is very simple. Who will be changed into by whom? Means that by that we are using in the before the subject after the verb, that will be used before it. So it would be by whom. Now teaches you English. Teaches means it is simple present. Simple present means first form will be changed into second form. So it would be means what will be coming here is MR and third form, right? So what will be here is English taught to you, not taught by you. So what will be answer? Because by we have used earlier. By whom is English taught to you? And question mark at the end. That means we are giving the answer in the question form. I hope it is clear to everyone. This we have completed the module of active and passive voice. I hope you will be finding out it's quite easy to learn how to do active and passive voice. If you are having any query, you can just message me or comment me at the down of the video. Then we will meet you soon with the next topic of grammar with very enthusiasm, and stay tuned with us. Just do share, like and subscribe my channel. Just show it to your circle, show it to your friend circle as well as for getting more enhanced in the grammar. All the best. Thank you and goodbye.